compensation of Katraj-Kondwa road is finally resolved. The Katraj-Kondwa road is often seen with lots of traffic where citizens are stuck on this road for around 1 to 2 hours. Now they will get a final resolution of this. The state government has approved the land acquisition of Katraj-Kondwa road of 41,517 square meters of land required for the 50-meter winding of the Katraj-Kondwa road. The state government has approved the requirement for the Katraj-Kondwa road, which is the municipal corporation has deposited a whooping of 276 crore with the district collector office. With this decision, the entire land will come under the control of municipal corporation in next 1 month. This will be a great relief for the lack of citizens of this area. The Pune Municipal Corporation (PMC) held a grand ceremony to wind in the 3.5-kilometer road from Katraj to Khadi Machine Chowk in 2017. However, the project was delayed as the tender was floated, even though the municipal corporation did not have the land to construct the 84-meter road. The citizens of the area had to endure the same pain of the project which has been seen. Now the state government have also, like Pune Municipal Corporation, in 2019 from Katraj to Khadi Machine Chowk, the 3.5, the work of winding the kilometer road was taken up. However, due to lack of possession on the land, the proposed of road of 84 meters was stuck only between 28 to 30 meters. The state government has 41,597 square meters sanction has given to the site. For this, municipality has deposited 276 crore with the collector office. Assist holders will be starting getting their compensation in next 15 days. The compensation after receiving this entire place will be taken over with the municipal corporation within a month. As you can see behind me, the long lines of the vehicles on the roads. The 50-meter wide road was necessary for the local residents. The project was stalled due to the dispute over the site, with thousands of Pune residents had to bear this on every day. After a follow-up by the land acquisition for the Katraj-Kondwa road, it has been finally successful. After the acquisition of the land, this road will be widened by 50 meters, which will be a great relief to the citizens of the area, which by the Manjusha Nagpuri, Mayor of Pune Municipal Corporation. Katraj-Kondwa road, inside the road length is around 3.5 kilometers, and if we talk about the total width, it is 84 meters. Width of the first phase was around 50 meters, and now land required to TDR FSI are 29,000 square meters. The first position will be taken place in 15 days. After this order, the Revenue Land Acquisition Officer will announce the final verdict, and the distribution of compensation will be start within the 15 days. As we have seen, like the Katraj-Kondwa road is always a heavy traffic road where citizens used to travel to their native places or to the offices. Now with this decision, maybe now the citizens of the here will get a major relief. Camera person Ajay, Harjit Kaur, Pune Times Mirror, Pune.